Hello, all of you members of the Leatherman Collectors Club. I'm so happy to greet you on the first anniversary of the club's founding. I understand that you now have members from all over the world. Thank you so much for your dedication and enthusiasm for Leatherman tools. But I hope that you're not only collecting, but also using your tools, and that some of you may have tool tales of a Leatherman tool saving a step, or maybe a trip, or even a life. After all, that's why I created the first tool, to make my life a little easier, and maybe the lives of others a little easier too. And by the way, the original tool still exists. And the differences between the original tool and the pocket survival tool that finally came out after 8 years in the garage are that the original tool has a clamping feature that allows you to put an object in the jaws, engage the clamp, let go, and the object stays clamped in the jaws. And the other difference is that the original tool had needle nose jaws and regular jaws, but you could disengage the needle jaws to use the regular pliers. And when you wanted to use the needle jaws, you bring them back out, goes over the regular jaws, and then the regular jaws drive the needle jaws. I don't know if there are plans for a meeting by video conference, but if there are, I'll be happy to participate, so I will be able to get the chance to talk with you and answer your questions. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Thanks.